Well, hello YouTubers. Yeah, I'm coming to you from, I think I'm coming from Columbia County. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it down at the bottom. But if you listen real closely, do you hear that noise? Sounds like a shrill, I don't know what you call it, like a, sounds almost like a a train going by with the brakes squealing. There you hear it a little better. It gets louder and then it gets softer and then louder again. Now it's getting louder. And what that is a bug that comes out, I think once, is it every, oh, I gotta put that down about, I'm gonna put a link in the description all about these bugs. They come out like once every, I think it's 17 years, and I'll see if I can find one here. Where are you? There you are. That's what's making all the noise. Millions of these things. They come out of the ground. And they were a little late. I heard they were coming out, and they were a little late coming out today. Now, this is June 21st, 2021. I was coming over here at a town called Helfenstein, Pennsylvania. And when I got out of the truck, I heard this noise. I thought, oh, those are the cicadas that are coming out today. And I put a little clip up about that. But check out the description. There's a link in there all about these. And again, like, subscribe, share my videos. Getting up there in subscriptions and followers. I thank you, each and every one of you. Stay out of the heat. If you do go hiking, watch for ticks. They're out there. Be careful on your adventures. And until then, see you later. Where'd you go? There you go.